Hey everybody, I was going to make this vegan burger recipe yesterday, but then I got so excited after watching the guy make it on YouTube, I decided to make it last night. And then I put them in the refrigerator overnight so they would harden up just a little bit more. And it was great to be able to grill them today. I found an old panini maker upstairs, and instead of having to go out and buy a grill thing for the top of the stove from Walmart, I just used this and it worked absolutely perfectly for what I needed it for. And if you are even interested in vegan cooking, you definitely check this recipe out because it's very good. It's very flavorful, the texture is excellent, and it's not made up of any crazy chemicals. No Beyond Meat or Impossible Burger or anything like that. It's all made from scratch. Alright, so here's what I made, and I will talk to you next time I make a cooking video. Ciao, ciao!
You cut your veggies up, and then I make my vegetable stock with better than bouillon. And then you fry the veggies. Then you combine all of these ingredients with the cooked veggies in a blender. Then you mix it with some Vital Wheat Gluten. You knead this for about 10 to 12 minutes. Use a rolling pin to flatten the mixture to about 1/2 inch thick, and then use a burger cutter to cut them into patties like this. And I got 6 patties with a little bit extra left. Put some water in your wok and use a bamboo steamer and steam for 70 minutes. Here's the burgers after being steamed for 70 minutes. Now I put them in the fridge, or I can freeze them, and then they're great for bringing to a barbecue. And while everybody else is having hamburgers, you can have your own vegan hamburger, homemade from scratch. These are the plant-based burgers I made last night, and I want them to have the grill marks. Instead of buying a grill at Walmart, I remembered I had this old sandwich maker. This is going to work perfect. Looking good. Now I just have to toast my hamburger bun and then put a little pickle and onion on it. Delicious. This is the second meal of vacation. Homemade plant-based burger. Look at those grill marks. Delicious. Let's get a better look at those grill marks. Wow! Wow. Let's have a look at the inside of the burger. Oh. Nice. That is a good veggie burger. The burger was delicious. Now I'm going to have a beet, avocado, banana, blueberry smoothie with almond milk. Look at that beautiful color.